I would like to come to one question, because I know you are very deep involved in technical integration, sensor integration, and you have very strong footprint in that one. Do you think today this is a challenge, or do we have all the equipments, all the services that is easy to attach new sensors and technology?
Yes, we prepare few POC in Czech Republic. When I mentioned, for example, Škoda Auto or Omnicell from Germany, we spent on this POC maybe 5-6 days. When we integrate in Škoda Auto technical networks, and this network covers or collect data from lifts, we prepared real demo system during 4 hours. So during 4 hours, we integrated data with Pico, SAP Pico, and this 4 hours we integrated the data via CAP server, and this data was stored into database for reporting purposes. It is very easy integration.
So that means when we call them these technical ecosystems and have a look at that, it does not seem that it is today the big issue. It is more the process integration. Would you agree? I mean, this is my feeling that technique is now solved.
Yeah,
somehow.
I would actually agree, because we talk about that onboarding process, which is hopefully easy, but I think we can go much more far forward, because in the future we will discuss about plug and play. So I have a new machine, I have a new any kind of machine which I plug into my smart home, for example. And I think what we need is some kind of plug and play. I only push a button or put some, I don't know, virtual on button, and then the machine is connected to the network. And if we want to do that, I think we need some kind of technologies or supporting technologies, like a think modeler, like a platform which is able to easily understand this physical thing and know, okay, this thing is communicating via different protocols, and I know, hey, you're using MQTT for communication, and all that stuff is done by the ecosystem. So, and in the future, it has to be that I only push a button and the machine is on the ecosystem. And then I think you can create very fast value and very, very interesting new processes or services. But I think that's a challenge we are currently discussing with our customers. Onboarding processes and how fast, and you demonstrated very, very nicely in the Czech Republic, how fast you can connect your shop floor machines on a network.
But is that when you talk to the customer and what our organizations, for example, in UK or Benelux or Nordics explain, is it also the customers are asking for that, some kind of best practices, best, let's say, sensor integration and just plug and play? Is it also what you hear?
Yeah, sure. They obviously look at us as the technical experts, and they probably got an idea what they might want to achieve, but then they need support or advice on how this technologically could be implemented. And ideally, we are the partner to do this because of all our background knowledge of all the surrounding systems, at least. So this is just one additional puzzle which fits into the overall story.